What's up, Ron Royal Flesh? It is our Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, girlies, today I'm going to be testing out the viral Korean pore filler primer that I saw on Beat by Deb's Instagram. So if y'all want to see me put this to the test and actually do a first impressions of it, then keep on watching. But before we keep on watching, guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join me here on the Royal Flush, the Royal Family, the Royal Court girl. Also, right after you hit the subscribe button, do not forget to hit that bell notification button. It's a button that appears right after you subscribe. It's a gray bell. Hit that to be notified for my future uploads. Also, at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me and my quality and my content and everything and above, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. My brows off camera, and I'm going to just go in with the primer. As y'all know, this is the viral primer that has been going all over Instagram, and let me just make sure all this shit is off my hands before I apply this primer. This is about to be more of a complexion based video, because you know we're going out with something like this. So the tube looks pretty good. It has how many ounces does this have? Wow, it says 35 grams on the back, but the rest of this shit I can't read. It says made in Korea, and just like everything else is in Korean. Like 35 grams, the W Air Fit Pore Primer. It comes with a tab. Ooh. So y'all probably saw the little ad for it. First time I saw it was on Deb's Instagram. So I'm about to just apply this like this. That's what I'm about to do. Just so I know I have a good amount everywhere. Down here. Alright, so it did like add a little, like a blur to my skin, a little blur. But it's not really like a silicone primer like the, what is it called? The Benefit Professional. It's not like that. It's nothing like that. It's completely different. It's more of like, okay, I did notice a little blur, so I'm about to add just a little bit more on my problem areas. My chin, pretty much, up here. Just to see if it adds a little bit more. And I'm gonna actually tap now instead of rub. Okay, that second layer did something. Okay, it is adding like a blurring effect over my skin, but it, like, the second layer of it is really getting that blurring effect. And I'm just tapping instead of rubbing. I don't care about my chin really, so. You guys know I love to set my primers. So I'm gonna treat this no different and set it. Oh my God. Set everywhere that I put it, really. Oh, this is how the component looks too, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm such a bad YouTuber. Let me get started, and I'm doing my, like, you know, my full coverage, full wear foundation routine. So like this is like the makeup that I wear if I want my skin to actually look its best. And this shows that. I take a foundation, my skin tone, and just go in the areas that I did not place the contour. And some Tarte Shea Tape under my eye. Okay, y'all, so I got done. I just, you know, did my whole face, blended it out, and I set my face with the Coty Airspun powder. Not too many people like using this powder. I'm one of those people that do, because I really love the way that it gives my skin, you know, like just a nice little veil over my skin. I just love that look. This is what, like, you know, this is the stage where, like, some people may call it baking. It actually is baking. Like, you know, I'm baking my whole face because I get oily, and it just helps my makeup last all day, really. So that's why I really love setting up my entire face with, like, translucent powder and stuff. So if you set your face with a translucent powder, do not forget to dust the shit off with, like, a foundation powder. A foundation powder, which is usually a compact that is your skin tone. So it brings the color back for me, like, you know, from looking all ashy to, you know, just looking healthy again. So, and you can see, like, my contour from earlier is still down. Like, everything is still down from cream contouring. So yeah, now I'm taking another foundation powder, but it's deep enough for me to contour with, and I'm using that to reattach my contour to bring it back. That's what I'm using this for, just to, you know, make sure that everything is cohesive with each other. So this is an excellent way for that. I didn't really need to contour again, but girl, I love to contour. It's one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup. Taking my bronzer, which is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Love this bronzer so much. And to take a luminous blush, because it is summer and I want to look real glowy. And I don't know if this gonna show up on me, because it is kind of palish. Oh, this is kind of pretty. It's like literally like a natural flush of color on my skin. Actually, it looks really, really good so far. Like, my skin, let me check on my pores. Non-fucking existent. Like, they're not there. So that is actually working. I'm about to set my face 4 times like I always do. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look that I came up with, which is just a little, you know, just a nice natural look. Like, I wasn't really about to go overboard today. I wasn't really going to, you know, go really extra with my makeup today. I didn't really feel like it, y'all. But yeah, so this is the look. Let me look at my pores, y'all. Oh my God. I can't really zoom y'all in, but like, my pores look so like it's, ooh, they look like they're not even there. Mind you, this is like 2 applications with this product. Like, you know, I applied it twice on my T-zone and on my more porous areas. So yeah, it's pretty good. Like, so far, like, I didn't do a wear test, but it's just more of a first impressions type video. I'm really loving this primer, y'all. I really don't know what else. It's more of a first impressions type testing to see if it actually blurred my pores. It actually blurred them. They aren't there. Usually my pores are kind of prominent right now, like, you know. Ooh, did y'all see that? I hope my power don't go out. It is about to rain too. Oh my fucking God. Let me turn off my air conditioner for my power to go out. Okay, y'all, so a bitch is back. I had to turn off my air conditioner because it's pitch black outside and it looked like my lights are about to cut off for some reason. So bottom line about this product, I really enjoyed it. It really blurred my pores. It cost like, let me look up the price. Okay, it was $9.78 plus $2.80 shipping. So, and it didn't really take that long to get to me. It took like a week. So, yeah, I really enjoyed this product, y'all. I really did. Like, I feel like this is about to be like my go-to pore filler product. So, yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this quick little tester video, first impressions type video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy yourself. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.